Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, and cruise control. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.